In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable and use arrows on chess.com. Whether you are a beginner trying to visualize your next move, a coach explaining a complex tactic, or a streamer showing your audience the logic behind a grandmaster play, mastering board annotations is one of the most useful skills you can have on the platform. The best part about this feature is that it is completely free and available to every single user on the site. You do not need a premium membership to unlock these visual tools. If you find this guide helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more chess tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right into the steps. To start, simply navigate to chess.com and open any board. This could be a live game against an opponent, a training session against the computer, or the analysis board where you review your past games. The logic for drawing arrows is built into the board interface itself, so there is no complicated setting menu you need to dig through to turn the functionality on. To draw a standard arrow, all you need to do is right-click and drag your mouse across the board in the direction you want the arrow to point. Once you reach the target square, simply release the right mouse button. You will see that a bright arrow appears immediately, pointing from your starting square to the end destination. This is the default way to highlight paths, threats, or potential maneuvers during a match or review session. Now, while the default color is usually yellow, you can actually change the color of your arrows to differentiate between good moves, bad moves, and neutral threats. This is incredibly helpful when you are analyzing a game and want to categorize different ideas visually. To draw a red arrow, which is perfect for highlighting a dangerous threat or a blunder, you need to hold down the control key while you should right-click and drag. To create a green arrow, which is often used to visualize the best engine move or a winning sequence, hold down the shift key as you do right-click and drag. If you want an orange arrow, perhaps to mark a secondary option or a positional idea, you will need to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard while performing the right-click and drag motion. By using these different keyboard combinations, you can turn a messy board into a clear, professional-looking analysis masterpiece. It is also worth noting that if you want to clear the arrows you have drawn, you can simply left-click anywhere on the board and they will vanish. This allows you to quickly reset your visualization as the game progresses. If you are having trouble getting this to work, make sure you are using a desktop browser, as this specific right-click interaction is designed for mouse users. Practice drawing these different colored lines during your next analysis session to get the hang of the muscle memory. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable and use arrows on chess.com. This simple tool will significantly improve your ability to calculate lines and explain your thought process to others. If this video helped you out today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.